this all does coincide with this work about these apocalyptic scenarios that you guys are talking about, because if we don't have an understanding of how we got to where we were, and we also don't have an understanding that this can happen to us again.
It's indeed possible for it to happen again. And in the 8th episode of Ancient Apocalypse, one of the scientists from the Comet Research Group makes that point, that the comet that disintegrated, that caused so much damage on Earth 12,800 years ago, its debris stream is still in orbit. The Earth passes through it twice a year, and in the next 30 years, we're going to be passing through a very lumpy bit of this 30 million kilometer wide debris stream that's called the Taurid Meteor stream.
So, what is the Taurid Meteor stream? Sometimes called Halloween fireballs, the Taurid meteor shower is created by debris from Comet Encke, which orbits the Sun every 3.3 years. The comet itself is only 1.13 kilometers in diameter, and its orbit is very elliptical. Comet Encke and the Taurids are believed to be remnants of a much larger comet, which has disintegrated over the past 20,000 to 30,000 years, breaking into several pieces and releasing material by normal cometary activity or perhaps occasionally by close encounters with the tidal force of Earth or other planets. Comet Encke has been observed by astronomers since ancient times, when it was found that at least 3 meteor showers, the southern Taurids, the Orionids, and the Leonids, were caused by its dust. The Taurid's meteor stream gets its name from its radiant point, which is near the constellation Taurus, or the Bull. While it is active all year long, during some specific time periods, Earth's orbital plane crosses through Comet Encke's debris stream, which leads to a larger number of meteors visible to us on Earth. There are 2 peaks in the number of meteors visible each year, one in mid-October and one in early November. During these periods, called showers, you can see as many as 20 meteors per hour. The peak in early November is much more active than mid-October because Earth passes through more of the trail during that time period. The Taurid meteor shower will peak on the night of November 5th into November 6th.
We might mention that, speaking of the Taurid meteor shower, we are passing through the Taurid meteor stream right now as we speak.
As we speak, yeah.
Late October to about the second week in November up till about the 15th or 17th of November, Earth is passing through that stream. And it probably is the most important meteor stream in terms of the history of recent life on this planet.
This meteor shower is created and Earth passes through debris left behind by Encke. The debris gets caught up in Earth's orbit and burns up as it enters our atmosphere at speeds of around 90 kilometers per second. Meteors from this shower are known for being bright, slow-moving, and often appearing yellow or orange in color due to their silicate composition.
Unfortunately, most of those fireballs are caused by little objects. Maybe the size of your fist, maybe just the size of a fingertip, maybe just a speck of dust burning up into the atmosphere. But they are shrouding very large objects that are on that same orbital trajectory which the Earth crosses twice a year.
The Taurid meteor stream has been observed since at least 1819 and possibly earlier, with reports of several major outbursts over the years, including one around 1910 that caused many deaths in Russia due to its intensity. However, this might not be the only destruction to be caused by the Taurid meteor stream.
The evidence shows that they did something terrible to the Earth 12,800 years ago, and they changed everything.
The sudden onset of the Youger Dryas cooling 12,900 years ago was marked by intense wildfires over North America, major disruption of human culture, and the rapid extinction of 35 genera of North American mammals. Intersection with the debris of a large, short-period comet during the Upper Paleolithic provides a satisfactory explanation for the catastrophe of celestial origin which has been postulated to have occurred around 12,900 BP, and which presaged a return to Ice Age conditions. Firestone et al. Proposed that a comet broke up on atmospheric entry and struck the 2 kilometers thick Laurentide ice sheet. Numerous studies suggest that the Taurid meteors are the remnants of this former exceptional body which impacted Earth 12,900 years ago. However, this theory is not widely accepted within academics and researchers. Even though for now, we cannot be exactly sure what caused the Ice Age and whether this theory is accurate, the one thing we can know with 100% certainty is that sub-kilometer bodies in meteor streams may present the greatest regional impact hazard on timescales of human concern. However, there is nothing that we can do about that, so maybe for now it's best to get away from city lights, somewhere dark, lie back and enjoy those torids fly.